welcome to my channel. And today there is a cool video coming up on your way. So the video is about this car, our second car. It's so cool. It's automatic. I love this car. So want to check it out? So I got the keys right over here. There's one extra one just in case we lose the other one. Hopefully they don't lose both of them. But here is the car. I'm just gonna unlock that. In here, let's go to the driver's seat. I'm just gonna show you guys the car. So the driver opens as a normal car's would. So have a look. Just wanna go inside. So let's go. Okay, here on the side here, there's a cool light here and some things, nice. Couple of, cool. Some all the windows things like normal car does. Same normal car does have this. Now here are cool, nice. These are cool soft seats. And then nice. You can put the back and then front, and then you can just higher that up, lower that. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Seatbelt. Now let's go to the other side of it. Let's go. Here. Now here, normal door openings. Okay. Same thing here. We have a nice dashboard here. So all this, same things here except for this on the one. So see, money, see. Cool screen there. That's touch screen. Cup holders and all the necessaries. Think about this is watching. Just watch. Yay! It opens automatically for me and my sister's door. So here you can see. Let's just hop on in. Here, I cannot stand perfectly, but it has a space. Here's my seat. I sit here, and my sister sits there. Let me just hold the card. Okay, safely. Nice car, nice seats. And the good thing about this is here we have our own pilot seats, and we can do this and relax. There's our seat belts. Ow! This always happens. Well, they happened 2 times right now. Whew, stay there. Okay, I'm just gonna squeeze on back here. Here is another seat. Here's another seat. It's cool. Here is the speaker, so there's no speakers elsewhere here. So here, and there are 2. I'm just gonna close this up. Oh, and here, come on here, over here, at this section, we can press it and the door opens. And here, this thing, you can see, if we just push it, the door closes. Now, I'm just gonna get out, jump on out. Okay, I gotta figure out which one it is. Okay, no? Now it's working. Okay, let's go. Here, back to here. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, now let's go. So there are just so many cars here, like crazy. Wow. Okay, so here, cool. So there's a lot of space. We just folded these seats down so we can have more space. Here, this car is just so cool. It's fully automatic, so now I'm just gonna press the button again. Does it close on itself? I think it closes by itself. It does. And it's closed. You know what? I'm just gonna end this video right here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. And see ya. Bye.